Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning flyer and banner in Canva. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a product, or simply showcasing amazing content, a well-designed flyer can make all the difference. So let's dive right into the steps and create something fantastic together. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the main page, navigate to the search bar at the top, type in flyer, and press enter. This will bring up a variety of templates perfectly suited for your needs. Canva has a vast collection to choose from. Browse through the available templates and select the one that best aligns with your vision or project theme. Keep in mind the colors, fonts, and overall layout that will resonate with your audience. Once you've selected a template, click the Customize this template button. This will open the design interface where you can truly make it your own. Type or paste your content. Ensure your message is clear, concise, and impactful. Consider your font choice and size, as these are essential for readability and aesthetics. You can replace the default images to better suit your theme. Simply click on an image and upload your own. Once you're satisfied, take a moment to review everything. When it looks great, click the Download button at the top right corner to save it in your preferred format. Next, we're going to look at how to create a banner. Back in the search bar, look for Banner. You'll see various types and sizes. Choose the one that works best for you. For this example, we'll go with a landscape banner. Just like before, browse the styles until you find a fit. Once you grab a template, you can edit it to suit your specific needs. And just like that, your design is ready. Today, we've learned how to create both a flyer and a banner in Canva.